What's up, my friends? Alright, so I finally got my computer hooked back up. And here we have this business that we had earlier. So I did a swipe with no silicone. And it got a lot of really cool lacing in it. But one thing we got none of were those really cool lacing effects that you kind of get over normal swipes. So I hated that I did this, but I went back and got some silicone. I swore off silicone a while ago, and now we're right back to it. Whatever. But so my idea is this: I want to see some of this underneath the swipe, and so I'm going to do dark blue, and then white, and then paper towel swipe it across. And what I'm hoping is going to happen is that it'll come together as we kind of swipe it over, and then as it dries, it'll be like an overlay. I'm not sure how much. Anyway, I'm not sure how much blurring you're getting. I see some on my monitor. Weird. Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to sprinkle some. I've got a silicone brush that has the word silicone on it. And so I'm going to take this, splatter it about, put a layer of blue, put a layer of white, and then start swiping it across. And we'll see how this works out. So this is all-in-one, all-temp silicone. I'm sure that it's not pure silicone. I had bought some off of Amazon that was pure silicone, but I don't have any of that here, so this is what I'm using today. I actually gave that away. I don't know if you remember her, but Alyssa, I gave that to her as we were kind of, she was getting really into pouring, and I had been slowing down on the silicone use. And so I gave it to her, and yeah, not very much. I need more on this brush. And it probably looks like I'm just waving around some brushes magically over the thing. I don't even know where it went. Okay, so here's the thing. I don't know if this is going to work, but trying new things is exciting, so we will do these things. Paper towel. Yep, long enough. Okay. And after we, yeah, so, okay. It's been a few minutes since I made this. Okay. Just wanted to check the consistency to make sure we're still in the ballpark. We'll see if this works too, because if it doesn't, I'm kind of expecting it to not work. So this is more of an experiment than anything, because I really just want to know if I can fix something that I mess up like that. Let's put a little bit more down. That'll be enough. And then some white. I made up 2 batches of white, because I'm not sure how much white we'll need. Okay, I really like white. I don't know if you know that. I do. A lot. A lot, a lot. Okay. So I'm just gonna wet my little paper here. Spray bottle. Just wetifying it. That's a word now. I don't know if it was a word before, but it is now. We're going to wetify things. All right. I actually need a little bit more. Just dabbing the sides, just a little dab. So, my oldest son is about to buy a car. Isn't that insane? I cannot believe my oldest son's about to buy a car. I'm not old enough to have a son about to buy a car. And I know some of y'all are older, and you're going to say, oh, shucks, you're young. And I guess by some standards I am. But to counter that, I would like to say maybe you're just really old. No, I'm just kidding. I would never say that. Although I might mean it, I would never say it. Stop! Okay. Well, that was interesting. You know what? Let's wipe it the other way. But let's get something to stop it from rolling. Not rolling, but I don't know if you could see it. Oh my goodness. See, I don't know. Sometimes I'm like, yes, ladies and gentlemen, I do have a driver's license and I am on the road. Same time you are. Think about it. Yeah, good enough. It's actually kind of cool. I don't know if you can see how well you can see some of this stuff, but I guess I'll torch it just to pop any bubbles that we get. I'm sure there won't be many, but well, that was weird. Took a second to like stop burning. Okay, yeah, I'm done. So what we're gonna do, what have we learned? We learned to, when we're gonna swipe our stuff, okay, first of all, make sure it's anchored somehow. It needs to not move. Also, don't pick it up, so then it ends up like down here where you have to like try to fix it without making it look like a brand new painter that had no idea what they were doing. Actually, this looks cooler in person than it does on the video. Unless it looks awesome on the video, which then it probably looks that good. Yeah, all right. Well, anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. Would you let me know if this is closer to how you swipe? I suck at swiping, guys. I swear. I got to try something else. No more swiping. Yeah, I don't know. All right. Love you guys. I will see you later. Peace out.